This headset is often seen in gym videos, which led me to believe it would be ideal for workouts. However, practical tests revealed a very different purpose. Before we continue, a quick heads up, the links for this product with the best prices I could find are already in the description, okay? In daily use, like listening to music at the office, the audio quality is functional. The 40mm drivers deliver balanced low, mid, and high frequencies, meeting basic needs well. The active noise cancellation is one of its strong points, creating good immersion. However, for its price range of about $75, my expectation for the stereo performance was a bit higher. For more static use, the comfort is adequate. The foam pads are dense and soft, and the height adjustment allows for a proper fit. However, if not perfectly adjusted, it can create pressure on the top of the head. It's crucial to point out that it is not recommended for exercise. With just a few movements, the headset slides and can fall, making it unfeasible for any physical activity. Regarding protection, the headset does not have any IP certification for sweat or liquid resistance, which reinforces that it is not designed for sports activities. One of the product's highlights is its battery life, reaching up to 70 hours of continuous use. Charging is done via a Type-C input and takes between 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. During testing, I found no information about a dedicated app for customization or updates. The headset does not support multiple point connection, meaning it cannot be connected to two devices simultaneously. The Bluetooth 5.2 connection proved to be stable during use, with no dropouts or interruptions. For calls and meetings, the microphone delivers a reasonable performance. It features a noise filter that can reduce constant, low-intensity background sounds like computer fans, ensuring clear communication in controlled environments. To summarize, the positives are the excellent battery life and efficient noise cancellation. The negatives are its unsuitability for exercise, audio quality that could be better for the price, and a build that doesn't feel very robust. At least that's what I expected for the price. Considering all points, the Baseus Bowie H1 is ideal for someone looking for a wireless headset with long battery life and good noise cancellation for stationary use, such as in an office or at home. If you're looking for an option for physical activities, I recommend checking out other reviews here on the channel. That was my complete review. If you've decided this is the right product for you and want to support the curation work I do here, consider using the affiliate links in the description. I've already researched the best deals to make your search easier. When you buy through them, you don't pay anything extra, and you directly help the channel continue to create honest, detailed reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!